So Josh, what did you think of the event? How'd it go so far besides the whole fire alarm thing? I mean, pretty unforgettable, but what did you think of the event?
So I think the event was great. Everyone that spoke today was amazing. Luke did what he always does. He did a great job. Ryan's awesome. If you need an EOS implementer that's top notch, we're actually going to be bringing Ryan in to our company to help us implement EOS at some point very soon. Should have been yesterday. But it was super great. There was a fire, so we had to leave and come back. But thank God it wasn't a real fire, and now we're here. And I appreciate for Ryan having us here. Ryan.